The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a game-changer designed to push the limits of performance and durability. With its sleek, premium build and next-level technology, it's built for those who demand the best in every aspect of their smartphone experience. Here's an overview of the key features you mentioned for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Number 1. Circle to search. This innovative feature allows users to circle any object on their screen using the S Pen or finger, enabling quick access to relevant search results through Google. It works with photos and text, providing instant contextual information. Number 2. Live Translate. Samsung's Live Translate feature allows for real-time language translation in calls, messages, and even live conversations. It breaks down language barriers and facilitates seamless communication in multiple languages. Number 3. Unbeatable processor. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, known for its exceptional AI capabilities and improved performance over previous models. This chip ensures fast performance and efficient multitasking, making the device ideal for gaming, professional use, and AI tasks. Number 4. Titanium toughness. With enhanced durability, the Galaxy S24 Ultra features a titanium frame, making it more resistant to drops and damage compared to previous models. This tough construction is ideal for users looking for a long-lasting and rugged device. Number 5. Epic AI camera. The camera system of the Galaxy S24 Ultra uses AI-powered enhancements to optimize photo and video quality. From scene recognition to intelligent exposure control, it ensures stunning shots, even in challenging lighting. The AI also assists in features like generative edits, background changes, and more. These features, combined with the device's stunning display and cutting-edge technology, make the Galaxy S24 Ultra a top contender in the smartphone market.